Thank you for tuning into this video. Today I have a how-to Shopkicks. I've already recorded a Shopkicks video, but it was more of a laid-back style, vlog style type of video. But in this video today, I'm going to get straight to the point and show you guys how I Shopkick. I am only going to be getting kicks via way of scans and walk-ins only. I will not be buying anything and submitting my receipts. We will just be walking to the store and scanning some items. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would like to have you a part of the family. All right, let's get started. That's my helper. Okay, so Shopkick is an app that gives you kicks for scans and walk-ins and things like that in exchange for rewards you can get through gift cards. And they are even, I believe, about to start letting you check out through PayPal. They sent a survey out, but it's not a guarantee right now. But these are the different stores currently you can get gift cards for in exchange for your kicks that you earn. And I have, over the time since I've had Shopkick, I have gotten many gift cards. See, my total all-time kicks, 67,577. Currently, right now, I'm at 2552 on this device. It has all your activities logged in here. These are the 4 ways you can earn kicks at stores: walk-ins, scans, receipts, and link cards. And now you can also get kicks online. Look, I haven't even walked in the store yet. We are just outside in Walgreens parking lot, and has already given me my 100 walk-in kicks on this phone. You see that? And so now we're going to go in and find some items to scan. So sometimes you don't even have to go in the store. Sometimes I can just drive up through the parking lot, like at places like Walmart, different stores, and depending on their signal, it will pick up, and you don't even have to go in the store as long as you're as close to the entrance as possible. So this is our second phone. So we have 2 phones that we're using today. It's what we're looking for. Back when Shopkick first started, me and my oldest 2 daughters, we used to have a ball going to the different stores. We would drive all over town going to get those Shopkicks, because back then they would give you way more Shopkicks than they give you today, but it was really fun. Nowadays I tend to only go when I'm already going to a store, or if they're having this big type of event like they were having this weekend. I also would have my husband drive me around too. Okay, we just left out of Walgreens. It was successful. A few items they did not have, we were not able to find, so we weren't able to get the kicks for them, but everything else we got the kicks for, as I showed you in the video. So we're on to our next stop. I got on my workout clothes because this is a workout. Also, I'm going to the gym after this. So these are the scans, and this is what we are looking for here in Walmart. On 675 scans to get in here, and if you buy anything, you can get 10,300 in receipts. And sometimes you will get this message when there is a problem with the reception, your Wi-Fi, or if anything is going on. It took like 43 seconds for that to come up. And here you will see that it tells me that I have already received the kicks for this scan today. The app will also ask you if you want to receive more kicks for that particular item that you scan. So if you purchase that item and submit your receipt, or sometimes you can just purchase the item and it will log it for you, and you can get extra kicks that way. The app will also let you know if you scanned the wrong product. Also, at certain stores, and depending on which device you are using, whether it's I guess Apple or Samsung or any type of Android device, sometimes one device will pick up and the other will not. Here, this device picked up, the Apple phone, but the Samsung would not. I walk in and out of the store, all throughout the store, and it just would not pick up those kicks at all. In instances like this, I always submit a report, and it asks you questions like what happened and where were you, where are you right now, like are you in the store, are you outside the store, have you left the store. I remember back when Shopkicks first started, they would actually add the kicks to your account when you submitted a report, but now I don't think they do that. And I have that same problem every time I go to Marshalls. I've been to 2 different Marshalls, and with this Samsung phone, they will not pick up. Same thing with TJ Maxx, the Apple phone picked up, but the Samsung phone would not pick up. I went back the next day and it was the opposite. Here at Best Buy, both of the phones picked up before I even walked into the store. Sometimes I can just be driving, passing by certain stores, and it will pop up while I'm in the parking lot still. So that is it for this tour, this tutorial, if you will. Make sure you use my code down below in the description box to sign up for Shopkick. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, just leave. Bye!